How do umbrellas improve a pop-up drink stand? Umbrellas keep your drinks, your ice, and your customers cool and dry, which means people stick around longer and buy more. Think about it like this. A pop-up drink stand without shade is basically a melting machine. The sun beats down on your cups, your syrups, and especially your ice, and that ice is money just disappearing into a puddle. An umbrella blocks that direct sunlight, so your ice lasts way longer and your drinks stay cold instead of turning into lukewarm soup. Here is something a lot of vendors do not think about. Shade also protects your labels and signs from fading, since sun exposure can wash out colors and make your branding look old and cheap within just a few weeks. Another cool trick some experienced stand owners use is picking a lighter colored umbrella, because dark colors actually absorb heat and can make the space underneath even hotter. Shade also changes how comfortable customers feel while they wait in line, and comfortable customers are more patient customers, which means less people walking away because the wait felt miserable in the heat. One common mistake is using a flimsy umbrella that cannot handle wind, and then it tips over and knocks everything off your table, so always use a base with enough weight or sandbags to anchor it down. Another mistake is placing the umbrella wrong, so it shades the customer but not your ice or syrups, when really you want the coverage centered over your supplies first. A lot of people also forget that umbrellas heat up plastic tablecloths underneath them if they are the wrong color, so choosing a light or reflective fabric keeps everything underneath noticeably cooler. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.